Hello everyone, today's topic is winter hair care secrets nobody tells you. In winter, many people face hair fall, dry scalp, frizz, dandruff, hair breakage. But the truth is, winter itself does not damage your hair. Your wrong habits do. Today, I will share real hair care secrets that professionals don't talk about, internet rarely mentions, and only a few people actually follow. So watch till the end, because last secrets are the most powerful. Let's begin. Secret 1, winter hair fall is mostly scalp dehydration. Most people think winter equals hair fall, but the real reason is dry scalp, not weak hair. Cold air and heaters remove moisture from your scalp. When scalp becomes dry, hair roots become loose. Hair fall increases. What nobody tells you, hair oil alone is not enough. Before oiling, do this once a week. Take 2 spoons aloe vera gel, add 1 spoon water. Massage gently on scalp. Leave for 20 minutes. Then apply shampoo. This hydrates your scalp deeply. Very few people do this, but it works amazingly. Secret 2, overoiling in winter damages hair. Don't apply too much oil, it attracts dust, blocks scalp pores, increases hair fall after wash. Always remember, oil quantity should be less in winter. Use light oil. Massage gently. Leave for 30 to 40 minutes only. Wash properly. Overnight oiling in winter is not suitable for everyone. Only 0.1% people follow this correctly. Secret 3, hot water is your biggest enemy. This is a big truth. Hot water removes natural oils, makes hair dry, causes split ends, increases dandruff. Use lukewarm water, not hot, and final rinse should be normal or slightly cool water. This reduces frizz and adds natural shine. Secret 4, winter dandruff is not always dandruff. Shocking truth, what you think is dandruff is often dry scalp flakes. Difference, dandruff equals oily, yellow flakes, dry scalp equals white, powdery flakes. Real secret treatment, don't use strong anti-dandruff shampoo blindly. Instead, use gentle shampoo. Oil scalp lightly. Avoid daily washing. Most people make dandruff worse by wrong shampoo. Secret 5, your hair needs food more than products. In winter, blood circulation slows down. That means less nutrition to hair roots. More hair fall. So, secret foods for winter hair: nuts, warm water, seasonal fruits, protein, lentils, eggs, soybeans. Hair care starts from inside, not bottle. Secret 6, woolen caps damage hair. Nobody talks about this. Woolen caps create friction, increase static frizz. Always wear a cotton scarf. This protects hair from breakage, frizz, hairline damage. Secret 7, winter hair washing rule. People ask, how many times to wash hair in winter? Secret rule, oily scalp 2 times a week. Dry scalp 1 to 2 times a week. Overwashing, dry scalp, increases hair fall. Underwashing, causes buildup. Secret 8, conditioner is more important in winter. Many people skip conditioner in winter. This is big mistake. Conditioner locks moisture, reduces breakage, makes hair manageable. Apply conditioner only on lengths, never on scalp. Leave for 2 to 3 minutes. Secret 9, night habits that save your hair. Night routine matters a lot in winter. Do this: never sleep with wet hair. Use loose braid, cotton pillowcase or scarf. Hair breaks more at night than daytime. This secret is followed by very few people. Final secret. Biggest secret of winter hair care: be gentle with your hair. No rough towel drying. No aggressive combing. No overstyling. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty and health videos. See you in the next video. Take care of your hair this winter.